I am Supripal, your trainer. We will start our new journey on basic electronics. So, in this free YouTube class, you will learn basic electronics and testing of components and how those electronics components are used in our circuits. Almost we will cover the analog service to our digital circuits. That means we will cover it in our how those electronics components are used on this circuit we will discuss in our series. So stay connected with us to learn something new. If you in this field you have already have knowledge of basic electronics, but we will not provide you the theoretical typical classes. Here we will share our knowledge, we will share you the tips and tricks so you can easily go ahead in your service field. What we will clear it here? We will clear the basic steps of components. What kind of components it is, how to test this component. You can determine that my component is okay, and when you have to decide that now my component is faulty and I have to change, in some cases you will find that this type of component also there is no same component in your stock, same component in your market, but you have to all those components are used in UPS, in ATX SMPS, in projector, power supply board of printer, or logic board of printer. Same way, all those components are used in, or some of component or combination of some components are used in smart boards like projector motherboard, like desktop motherboard, like laptop motherboard, and other smart boards. So if you have the knowledge, if you have the basic knowledge of electronics component, how they work, if you know that, you can determine when those components are not working. If you know the concept of working principle, you can easily understand when this component is faulty. So our journey of this course is to providing you tips and tricks and sharing my knowledge with you. Not it's a typical classes. Not I am going to taught you something. This is the register. This is the value of register. It's available at Google. But in this class, we will gain your confidence. More information and other things. Stay connected with me. Press subscribe, and if you want notification in your system, then press